Come test drive the 2019 1500. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.7-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, front-wheel independent suspension. Inside you'll find low tire pressure warning, trip computer, oil pressure gauge, power windows, tachometer, power steering, universal garage door opener, overhead console, panic alarm, passenger vanity mirror. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.